In this video, I'll show you how to send a PDF file on Instagram, quick and easy. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in Google Drive, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Upload. Then tap Browse to navigate through your files. Find the PDF file you want to send, and tap it to upload. Wait a few moments for the upload to complete. It depends on your internet speed. After the PDF is uploaded, find it in your drive. Tap the three dots next to the file and select Copy Link. Send the link via Instagram. Now, open the Instagram app and go to your DMS. Find the conversation with the person you want to send the PDF to, and open the chat. Long press in the text field and tap Paste to insert the link. Hit Send, and you're done. Your recipient can now view or download the PDF directly from the chat. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.